Hi, Phil Swift here for the Flex Seal family of products. Now, all the strength of original Flex Seal is available in portable, powerful minis. Flex Minis easily fit in your toolbox or glove compartment, making them perfect for quick repairs on the go. Now it's easy to take the power of Flex Seal everywhere you need it, any time of year. From the toughest jobs to a simple repair, Flex Minis are always there. Now with Flex Minis, you can grab and go. Plus, they're freaking adorable. Flex Minis are lightweight, portable, and so easy to use. Fishing, hunting, or camping, now you can make quick, on-the-spot repairs during all your outdoor activities. Whether it's Flex Tape, Flex Glue, or Flex Seal, imagine everything you could do with Flex Minis.